Alright, we're rolling. Grab a cup of coffee. We can start now that you're here. Don't mind my sticker. Hi. I have not filmed a studio vlog in many months. I thought I was done with them, but I missed them, so we're gonna do another. Oh, baby, that's good. So to start off this video, I have something very exciting to show you. Let me just grab it really quick. This is it. I ordered my first ever boxes for shipping, which is actually a very big exciting step for me. Because I've only ever shipped letter mail up until this point. So we're diving into a whole new world, which is very exciting and very crazy. Let's open these and build one, and I'll show you what I'm going to be using them for. So heavy. Also, here's just a peek of what it's looking like outside. It's so snowy. We're supposed to get a lot of snow today, I think. There's a storm brewing. Monty is in the way. Monty wants to be a part of the video. There's like a full-on winter storm occurring outside, so it's super snowy. It's really pretty, actually. Coffee break. Okay. It's time to unbox our boxes. Yeah. Coffee break. And put this over here so I don't knock it. So they did not send instructions or anything with these. I don't know how to make them. I don't know how. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Oh, computer's going blue screen. That's fine. Who cares? Hey, how hard can these be, honestly? Is that what? I feel like that must go like that. I think this goes like this. Can you read this? Goes like this. Wait, I think I get it. I think this goes... Okay. And that's how it works. Truthfully, these are bigger than I thought that they would be. I'm gonna be honest. Okay. So, here's our box. This is how it works. This one's kind of smushed, but that's okay. It seems so much bigger than I thought it would be, but I think it's fine. The reason why I got these boxes was because I'm finally going to be adding this little guy to my shop, as well as I am planning on making other items that will require a bit more than a mailer. So I got this box because it can fit prints like so, and it can fit a pin, and when I close it up and I tape it, nothing will get smushed. So that's kind of the goal. I think if I'm shipping a pin by itself, I can still use, I have my paper padded mailer thingies, so I can use those. But I wouldn't feel right about putting a print in there because I feel like it will literally get smushed. So I have these boxes. Now, I still need to triple check what it's going to cost to ship these things. I feel like it's going to be expensive, especially in Canada. which really sucks because tell me why it's cheaper to ship this to the United States of America than it is to ship it to my own country, within my own country. Anyway, I'll figure that out. That needs to be done. So the next thing I need to do is prep the rest of these pins, because I have actually not graded them all yet, and I have not put them on their backing cards. I only have 50 of them, so it's a very small amount, unfortunately. But I'm gonna grade them and prep them and see how many I actually have to sell. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the grading process and the prepping process. Let's go do that. As you can see, I still have a lot to do, but I've packed these ones so far. I put them in little glassine baggies, which is fun. But I need to take some photos of these prints while I still have a little bit of light. So basically, these are all the prints that I'm going to be putting in my shop update / my shop reopening for 2023. They are all Patreon prints from the past year that I have extras of, and I'm gonna put them in the shop. So I want to take some photos of them while we still have a tiny little wisp of sunlight. There's barely anything, truthfully. It is full on snowing. Oh well, we have to make do, because it is now Wednesday. Tomorrow I work for my other job, and Friday is the day that I want to try and get my shop open. So, we gotta go. Truthfully, I am not sure if a single one of those photos turned out, but I really hope that I have something usable out of there. It is getting darker and darker by the second. It is almost 5 o'clock, so I guess that does make sense. But also, it's just, there's a snowstorm, okay? There's only so much I could do. But yeah, I got those photos. I know I have older photos of the pins all done, so I'm good in that regard. And I have everything I need to set up my website, minus making sure that I know exactly what I'm charging for shipping. So that's my next step. But yeah, I think we're in good shape. I also need to finish grading all the pins. This is stressful. I feel like I'm not ready for this, but you know what? If there's anything I've learned about being a shop owner / entrepreneur / whatever the heck I am, it's that you never really know what you're doing. So sometimes you just gotta lean into it and just go for it. And that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. It's getting too dark to keep filming right now. So I think I'm just gonna touch base with you all tomorrow or later. I'm not really sure how this is gonna work. I forget how to do studio vlogs. I haven't done them in a while. I think this is the last you'll see of me for today, I think. Okay, bye.
I'm just going to really quickly record this before I stream, but I just wanted to say that my shop is live and orders have been rolling in during Patreon early access yesterday, and then also again today now that it's officially open. And I'm getting emotional because I'm seeing so many names I recognize and so many friends, and I'm just so happy. So thank you so much if you place an order. It means the world, and I cannot wait to pack everything up and mail it to you. And I can't wait for the rest of this year and all the other shop updates I'm gonna have. I have so many plans, and yeah, thank you for believing in me. But yeah, that's everything.
I'm having an existential crisis. I'm about to buy shipping labels from Canada Post for the first time. Holy crap, it's so expensive. Let me show you. I'm covering the side of the screen over here so you can't see anything. But look, 435 Canadian dollars was my subtotal. Then with the Shopify plan discount, I get $200 off, but it's still $234 Canadian. This is literally only for 18 orders. It's only for 18 orders. Ugh. Bruh, this is giving me stress. It's giving me so much stress.
This bunny didn't have a face, so I gave him a sad face. I'm sorry if you get this one, anybody. I'm so sorry. He's so sad. Here they all are, all packed in the box, ready to go to the post office.
So it's been a couple days since my shop opened, and I am so happy. I can't remember how much I talked about this now, so I feel like I need to talk about it again. But I opened my shop on Friday for early access for my patrons only. So I kept the shop like locked and password protected, but I gave my patrons the password so they could go on there to ensure that they would get a knifed up pin, because remember, they're special edition. There's only a couple of them on there. So we did that, and a whole bunch of you placed orders, and I am so happy. And then the shop officially opened on the Saturday to the public. And then a whole bunch of other lovely people have placed orders now. So all of those orders have been packed up. They're ready to go out. I want to say a huge thank you to everybody who purchased. You guys are so sweet. I really appreciate it. I don't know how much I've talked about this. I forget what I've said on YouTube versus what I've said on Twitch streams. But basically, I had pretty low expectations for the sale, just because I feel like, I don't know, like leading into like Christmas and the holidays and everything, I kind of took a whole bunch of time off and I wasn't really posting on social medias as much. And I feel like if you're not posting on social media, nobody knows what you're doing, and nobody is probably going to buy from you because they don't know where you are or what's going on. So anyway, I had very low expectations, and you guys just blew them out of the water. So thank you so much. We got 18 orders, which is crazy. So many of the knife ducks have been purchased. I think there's only 11 pins left out of the 36 that I listed. So that is insane. But yeah, I'm so excited. So I think I'm gonna wrap up this studio vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'd forgotten how much I enjoyed making studio vlogs. So let me know if you want to see more of these again. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye!